Hi folks, Lonnie Bowers here with Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City. It's a beautiful day, sunshine outside. Glad to have you here. This is a 2021 Torque Model 371. Very nice unit. It's a toy hauler, 41 feet overall length. This vehicle is equipped with an outside kitchen, as you see behind me here. Storage underneath the outside speakers. It has the solid steps, 4 steps, front underbelly storage pass-through. It also has a 4-point auto leveling system on the outside, which makes it very simple when you park and push a button and walk away. Very nice unit, priced well, and I'll take you inside and show you what we have in there. Folks, when you walk inside this coach, the first thing you're going to notice is the spacious area for your living and a giant kitchen. Lots of extra counter space in the kitchen. You have a single solid surface countertop in the kitchen. It's a wraparound. You also have that single table that comes out from that. You have a nice wide padded booth there. It's like a one-sided booth. Lots of area there for food, for a computer, and underneath that, the outside storage on the outside goes underneath that full bench. Gives you extra storage that others won't have with that full bench. You're also going to notice 4-position couch across from that. All 4 positions recline. There's cup holders and USB ports on either end for cell phone charging. As you walk up the stairs to your right into the bedroom, you have a nice large bathroom, walk-in shower, dual entry from the bedroom and the hallway. In your bedroom, you have a wardrobe slide and a nice king-size bed with the electric adjustment where you can raise the head of the bed so you can watch TV or read or like that. It has a nice solid surface countertop, bedside table on either side, lots of storage up above. When you walk back down through the stairs through the kitchen, you're going to notice your garage area. This is an 11.5-foot garage. It has the party deck with the wraparound deck railing. You also have an awning out the back for that patio. Lots of storage in the kitchen, 4-door refrigerator. It's a 15 cubic feet refrigerator. Nice large microwave convection oven. This does have a Furion stove, so no more pilot light. It's all electronic stove and oven. Makes that much easier. Nice double sink. Slide in the living area, and a slide in the bedroom, again, wardrobe. Thanks again for coming, folks. Appreciate you taking the time to look at the video here. My name is Lonnie Bowers. If you decide to call or come in, please make sure you ask for me. You can call me on my direct line cell phone at area code 458-210-4130. Appreciate it. Look forward to talking with you.